Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richmond. In fact, guys, what a good news from Chelsea camp. Chelsea declare a profit of 128.4 million for 2023 to 2024 season. A profit of 128.4 million for 2023 to 2024 season. In other words, Chelsea made a profit this season and not a loss compared to last season. Yes. So guys, we'll come and look at it. How Chelsea made that profit this season. Yes. And also, Antonio Semenyo, our Ghanaian brother, our Ghanaian player, is going for 75 million market value. Should Chelsea sign him? Because Chelsea interested, Arsenal interested, Manchester United interested. Antonio Semenyo for 75 million. We'll come and look at him also. And João Félix loan to AC Milan issues. We'll come and talk about that also, guys. And Vega, if you can remember, Chelsea loaned Vega to Juventus. We'll come and talk about that contract. So please continue watching this video till the end. And please don't forget to do what? Hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it give me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. So please smash the like button and smash the subscription button. So let's start with the profit making. Chelsea declare a profit of 128.4 million for this season, 2023 to 2024 season. How come about it? First of all, one of the factors leading to Chelsea making a profit this season is increased profit on disposal of player registration. Increased profit on disposal of player registration. Yes, based on loan fees, based on player selling. Yes, those kind of things. Like if Chelsea sign a player 5 million at the end, Chelsea sell him 10 million or 50 million. Yes, that fee increase. Chelsea made profit through that, or Chelsea made money through that this season. And also, Chelsea sold the women team to Buluko. We have Chelsea as a football club, the women team as a football club, a separate entity. Buluko is for Chelsea owners, different company from Chelsea. Yes, Buluko is considered of Todboli, Clele Capital, and those who own Chelsea. So they bought the women team. Buluko bought the women team. One of the factors leading to Chelsea contribution of making the profit this season. Selling the women team to Buluko. If you can remember last season, Chelsea, yes, sold car park. If I can remember well, yes, car park and some hotels to Buluko in order to dodge the PSR rule, or in order not to go against the PSR rule. So almost the same thing happened this season in order to balance the books, in order not to go against the PSR rule. So last season, they sold some hotels and car park, yes, not to go against the PSR rule. This season, they sold the women team to themselves. Yes. And I hope you understand, don't get confused. We have separate entity as Chelsea and separate company as Buluko. As I said, Buluko consists of Chelsea owners, Todboli, Clele Capital, and Co. Those who bought Chelsea, those who own Chelsea. And Chelsea is also different entity as a football club, particularly the Chelsea women team, different entity as a football club. So now they bought the women team, Buluko bought the women team in order to use the money to balance the books and not to go against the PSR rule. So guys, that is how Chelsea made the profit this season, 128.4 million profit. Yes, there were some other factors. Yes, other sources Chelsea made revenue this season. But these two major things were the major sources. Yes, from buying the women team, Buluko buying the women team, and players, yes, increasing their fee registration. Yes. So guys, that is how Chelsea made the profit this season. But here is the issue, guys. Last season, they sold a car park and some hotels to balance the books in order not to go against the PSR rule. This season, they sold the women team to Buluko. they buy the women team themselves to balance the books, to make a profit and not to go against the PSR rule. For me, like, these are good methods. Yes, these are good business mentality. But the issue here is that next season, in case we may go against the PSR rule, or in case Chelsea will not make a profit, what are they going to sell again? Because the way they are selling to Bluco, it will come to a time that we will run out of assets to be sold. I'm telling you, selling everything. 2 seasons, they sold car park and hotel. This season, the women team to Bluco. Next season, in case, I'm not praying for that or hoping for that for Chelsea to get a loss, but in case Chelsea is running a loss, now what are they going to sell again? That is the issue. So for me, I think they should rather concentrate on doing the right things, not signing so many young players we don't need. Yes, they should lower the way and manner they are spending. Even if they are going to spend, they should spend on the right players to avoid all this, rather than overspending and then going ahead to sell properties of the football club to Bluco. No. I know it's good to dodge the PSR rule, not to go on loss, to make it's good. But actually, we can't be selling Chelsea properties every season just to balance our books. So guys, that is the issue here. I know some of we, the fans, Chelsea fans, when it comes to talking about this, our owners, the way they are running this football club, some fans don't like listening. Some fans think we are being negative, or someone is being negative, or we just want to have something to talk about. No. It is not like that too. I want the progression of Chelsea. I want Chelsea to succeed. But actually, selling Chelsea properties to Bluco, selling Chelsea, no. It will come to a time that we will not have any assets to sell again. And what will happen next will be a disaster. Or are they going to sell some of we, the Chelsea fans, to balance the books? When it comes to a time that they are running loss, they want something to sell. So guys, that is the issue here. Let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about Chelsea selling the women team to Bluco in order to make profit. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Yes. And let's move to the next topic, guys. Let's come to Semenyo, our Ghanaian brother, Black Star striker, the last international game he scored. Yes. And this season, he is playing well in EPL. This season, he is in the form of his life. He's the engine of Bournemouth attack. He is the man in charge of Bournemouth attack. I remember the first league, he scored that some first pool goal, yes, against Sanchez. Charlie, I wasn't happy. How on earth, as a goalkeeper, your position, you are letting a player getting you in your position. No. As a good goalkeeper, super goalkeeper, Premier League goalkeeper, Chelsea goalkeeper, this kind of goals, you should not concede this kind of goals as a Chelsea goalkeeper. But unfortunately, we have Sanchez. So guys, Semenyo is doing well this season. For that matter, so many teams interested. In fact, almost all the big guns in the Premier League, Manchester United, Chelsea, Arsenal, and co, all interested. And his market value is 75 million. I don't know. Chelsea will also want a striker. Yes, we want a striker, battler, important striker, clinical striker, finisher. Yes, Mozilla, Hazela. Yes, and so far so good for Antonio Semenyo this season. So far so good. The guy is performing very well. If he can continue that consistency, I think any team would like to have him. Any big team, even including Real Madrid, Bayern Munich, and co. Yes, but just that young players, some of the time consistency is the issue. So guys, his market value is 75 million, and Chelsea want to sign a striker. Chelsea interested. Should Chelsea go and sign Antonio Semenyo? Should we sign him, Semenyo? Do you think he can come and be the solution to our problems? And the 75 million, do you think the fee is higher or it's okay? Or let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this signing. Chelsea interested in Antonio Semenyo. And let's come to João Félix. João Félix on loan to AC Milan. And now confirmed, João Félix will return to Chelsea when his loan spell ends at AC Milan. And now, here are the conditions for João Félix when he returns. First, Galatasaray interested. He may leave to Galatasaray. Or Portugal, Benfica also interested. Or Chelsea maintaining him. Guys, Galatasaray, Benfica, or Chelsea maintaining João Félix. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Guys, should Chelsea maintain him or should Chelsea sell him? And João Félix, Chale. I don't know what is wrong with this guy. I can still remember everything when he was coming out. Yes, he was considered as the next Ronaldo. Everything was nice about this player. His market value at that time was almost 120 to 150 million. He was doing well, great player. Even at that time, ATM didn't want to sell him to any club. No. I think Chelsea, when they quoted that 120 million, Chelsea ran away. Everything was working well. But I don't know. From Barcelona, no. From Chelsea, going back to Atlético Madrid to Barcelona. Now Barcelona returned to Chelsea. I don't know. Guys, what is wrong with João Félix? What is wrong with João Félix? Because when you look at him, the profile look nice, technical, brilliant. He is a nice footballer. I don't understand. Football is not doing great job for João Félix. Football is not helping João Félix. The god of football, please favor João Félix. On the ball, the guy is good, but Barcelona, it didn't work. And the most surprising thing here is that Barcelona, look at that time, Barcelona, last season Barcelona, like they weren't competing that much, but still he could not play. He could not get the position or the playing time. That means that it will be difficult for Felix to play for the top guns in European football. I'm telling you, because playing for big teams in European football, a lot is demanded. A lot. Yes. And João Félix, I can say he is the definition of talent aren't enough. Yes. Talent aren't enough. And always, hard work will beat talent if talent doesn't work hard. I can say that João Félix is the definition of that. Hard work always beat talent if talent doesn't work hard. And João Félix, he is good, but I think he still needs to do more to play at the highest level. Forget about talent. You got to be serious. You got to be determined. Yes, have the zeal to play, to deliver. Football now past the level of technical brilliance only. Yes. Today football, if Ronaldinho is playing today football, he must press. He can't be doing the flicking what and what. No. He must press. He must trigger the pressing first. And maybe after the team win, he can start doing his tricks, his what. I'm not saying Ronaldinho is bad or he's not. He is a good, but I'm telling you now the intensity in modern football. The tactical aspect. Yes, everybody is important on the pitch. Now, goalkeepers are included in modern football. You need a ball-playing goalkeeper in your team before you can survive. So, I want to talk of a player. If you need a goalkeeper in your team to play according to the style you want, I want to talk of you, the player. So, for me, I think João Félix, he has to train. And be patient. Yes. The way he's looking at himself, my respect to him, he's no more that João Félix who started from Portugal, from Atlético Madrid, 120 million. No. Now a lot has changed. And also, that is what we are saying, talking about this, our owners. I don't understand. Spending money, signing players we don't need. Signing João Félix, we don't need him. Guys, to be honest, we don't need João Félix. Yes. And Vega. We don't need Vega. I'm telling you. Because how on earth you sign a player, then he come, you are not giving him playing time? How on earth? So that is the issue. So when we come to the profit making, now they should rather concentrate on how they are spending, rather than spend recklessly, haphazardly, and then trying to sell certain things to balance the books. That is not the good way. Yes, the good way, better control your spending, rather than being in debt and doing so many tricks, so many what and what, using loopholes to solve. No. Yes, I don't want Chelsea to go into debt. Yes, but Chelsea, what will bring you into debt or send you into debt? If you can avoid it, why not? Avoid it. Some of these players that we sign, we don't need them. We don't need them. Because like we can't give all of them the playing time. And sending them out on loan, then we should rather leave them to be at their parent club rather than signing a player. He will not even get first team playing time. Now, within 6 months, Vega on loan. Within 6 months. So guys, that is the information for João Félix. Whether Chelsea should sell him or maintain him, let me hear from you under the comment section. And as I mentioned, Vega also on loan to AC Milan, and it seems things are not working the way we wanted it to work. Maybe he played well, and at the end of the season, Juventus bring a fee to sign him. But now he will also return to Chelsea when the season ends. And I think his name is being mentioned among the players Chelsea will sell. Yes, to find the striking signing. Yes. But I don't know. Let me hear from you under the comment section, guys. Your opinion, your thought. Should Chelsea sell to Vega? Because I can still remember the first round, Vega as a left back, as a DM, as a centre back. He will be available. Maresca will be playing Gusto at the left back position, in which we have natural left back in the squad. Sometimes he will be playing Caicedo. I can still remember sometimes he will play Reece James at the left back position. So for me, I think that is what Vega saw, yes, at the beginning and said, no. I'm not in the plans of the manager. I have to leave. So guys, that is the information. Yes, let me hear from you under the comment section. In all what we discussed in this video, just making a profit, Semenyo signing, and João Félix, Vega. And please, I'll give you another video. This is it. I know you like it, you enjoy it. Click to watch it. Yes, and please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. Take care. Peace.